What's up everyone? So in today's video, this is going to be a before and after comparison using my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to test the stock exhaust versus the AFE catback exhaust system. As a quick review, just driving this around a few miles, you can definitely hear it over stock. It sounds really good. There's no annoying drone or anything. It sounds exactly like I wanted it to. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you check out the description below for the detailed installation of this exhaust system.